walking straight to the hell we made.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And the hair we're going to be using today is the African braid. It's really a twist, and it's in the color 1. Also, it's in 18 inches. First of all, my hair is washed and I just stretched a little bit. I did my normal stretch routine that I do whenever I wash my hair. So to get started with the style, I'm going to be parting my hair into 2 sections. I'm going to be working with the back first, and I'm going to start by getting that top section out of the way, and I'm going to part the back down the middle. Further stretching my hair out, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler as well, and I'm going to be applying that to each section of my hair. Also, the rubber bands I'm going to be using, I just added some oil, so it doesn't create too much of a tension when I do these type of styles. And each section of the back of my hair is going to be parted into 3 sections, and I'm just going to be applying my Eco Styler, adding my rubber bands until the back is complete. So I'm not the best parter, as you all can see. I can't see to the back of my head, but we're gonna do what we gotta do, right? So I'm gonna just keep doing this until each section of the back of my hair is completed. Also guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I really would appreciate it if you guys did. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, that share button, do what you gotta do. Help a sister out. I really would love if you guys subscribe to my channel. So we're all done with the back, and we're gonna get started with the front now. And I'm just gonna be parting the front into like a upside down, cone shaped part. I'm gonna be doing that to the front of my hair. Making sure that my parts are straight. I'm gonna get that first piece of hair out of the way, and for the side of my hair I'm going to be doing like a small braid on each side of where I just parted. I'm going to be doing like 2 small braids to create the style that I want to achieve. So for this section of my hair, I'm basically going to be doing what I did to the back. I'm going to be doing this section also into 3, and I'm going to be using my rubber bands, also my Eco Styler. Now you're going to see like a white cast when I apply my rubber bands, but don't worry, it dries really clear. Using my brush, I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Now that this section of my hair is complete, I'm going to be putting the entire hair up into the side bun now, and for this I'm going to just be using my Eco Styler, also my edge control. I'm going to make sure that my hair is really brushed up nice and smooth, and that's all we're going to be doing for this section of my hair. And then we're going to get onto the front part. also for this style, I like my ends of my hair to be nice and tucked in, making sure that, you know, it's kept moisturized on the extension. So this is what the hair looks like out of the back. It's in 18 inches and I think that it had about 15 pieces in the back. Now for the crochet part of this style, I'm going to be pulling the extension through the loop, and I'm not going to be using like 2 pieces and pulling it through the loop. I'm going to just be using like 1 piece and I'm going to pull that securely. Now I didn't want it the hair to be too tight because it didn't really require much of a tightness to the extension because of the groove that the hair has. So I'm gonna just be crocheting each piece of hair around my bun, making sure that my bun is covered, because when the wind blows, you know, you don't want to be seeing your bun. So I'm just going to be doing that and making sure that each piece of hair is completely crocheted around my bun. So to give the hair a little more texture, I just pull the hair a little bit, you know, to make it more uniform, more natural looking. And I really love this, how this hair came out, you guys. I really love how it looked. And you know, to further assist with my style, I'm going to be making sure that my edges are done. And I love using my favorite edge control. It's the Play and Stay edge control, and it also has olive oil in it, so it really does my edges nicely. So after I did this style, I realized, you know, that it can be worn on both sides of my head. So I did, and I think that it looked really great on either side of my hair. And yeah guys, I really love how this look came out. If you like it, please don't forget to comment down below. Also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. I really would appreciate if you guys do. Just remember, I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.